Presidential daughter and Davao City Mayor Sara Duterte has donated her entire annual salary to help medical frontliners who have been infected by COVID-19. Duterte was told that 12 of 300 medical workers at the State Trans-Southern Philippines Medical Center in Davao City have tested positive for the virus. Duterte has an annual salary of 2.1 million pesos, which she will put in a trust fund for frontliners. She will give 50,000 pesos to each of the SPMC frontliner who tested positive for COVID-19. She was somehow relieved of the information that 11 of the frontliners have been discharged from the hospital. Like all other Davao City COVID-19 patients, their admission and medication are being taken care of by the city government.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.